Hi everyone. Today we are going to do a little mission. We're going to go under the boat and check the rudder. That's all I need for today. So we're going to do a small test and then off we go. I've been experimenting with different motors and different ballasts for the Guppy. So we'll see how that works out. Now, because we are in a marina and there are a lot of sharp things, sharp and pointy things under the water, I put a little tether, for extra security on our ROV, just in case. So let's hook everything up. First goes the control station. Have to secure it nicely so that the seal holds well. Okay, then we turn on the control station and you can see the video is on. Yay, it's working. Okay, to pair the controller we hold the share and the home button together, just like on a PlayStation. You will hear a beep from the control. Yep, now we are paired. Let's do a little quick test. So, the left and right on the left joystick, that's for the rudder. Up and down is for the ROV to go up and down in depth. And then we have the up, down, left, right, that's for the pitch and yaw. When you move around a lot, you will see some noise on the video. That's just unavoidable. If you want to really look at something, you can always just stop and the picture clears up. The lights are on the triangle switch, so let's test them out. Yep. There are more controls, I can go over them later. Okay, let's put this thing in the water. Let me get some more tether. We're gonna go deep today. Not very deep, but you know, just in case, we need a lot of tether here. Okay, let us lower the thingy in the water. And off you go, my friend. Yep. Okay, let's do a little control test. Forward, a little to the left, forward, forward. Let's look at the screen. Where is my boat? That's my boat, that's my rudder there. Okay. Okay, let's go to it, yeah? A little bit down. There is a through hole on my boat I want to check out, so let's get closer to it. See, it's right there. I don't know how well it translates to the camera, but on the screen it's clearer. I mean, I don't have an action camera to put on the ROV so you can see it better. But you can put any action camera on it, so it's not really an issue. Let me reverse a little bit. Let me reverse. There, you see it? That needs cleaning. Let me look at the rest of the boat. The sun is a menace. Actually, I think it would actually work better at night with the lights. You know, you can get a clearer image of what you're seeing. That's my propeller. You see all this growth on the boat, my boat. I have anti-fouling like 2 months ago done. The water here is very dirty. One thing I want to check is my zinc on the propeller. That's my propeller there. Let me get closer to it. Come on. Yes. I guess if I go out for a bit I can... You see, that's the zinc, but oh my god, it's so... I wonder how close can I get to the propeller without hitting it. Let me turn on the lights. Yep. That's the propeller. Just wanted to show you the bottom. That's under my boat. You see all those rocks and stuff? They're exactly under the boat. Let's go completely down. Let's sit on the floor and get some more tether going. And let's sit on the floor. And we're down. Can we fly a little bit? Let's go up. Yep. Oh look, there are fishes there. I don't know, they don't show very well, but I don't show very well on the camera, but I can see them. There. See them? Let me try to take a picture of this. Now you can see Guppy underwater. It's actually cool to see stuff. I mean, I wish I could afford to get something more expensive, but hey, sold my heater and made myself a little underwater drone. Half the price. That's cool. Anyway, don't forget, the IndieGoGo campaign is still going. If you want one, pledge and I'll make them. It will take a while, but I'll make them. Thank you, and that's it. The mission for today is complete. I think we can take it off the water now. Outside. Hello, my friend. Long time no see. Let me disconnect the controls. It's trying to stabilize itself. The boat is moving. Okay.